In this video, we are going to talk about how to convert decimals into fractions. Now I have 3 examples here because I think that we need to just kind of really look at some different things that could happen. So let's look at our first one here. Now our number system is a base 10 system. So what does that mean? Well, if we look at anything after the decimal place, this is tenths, this is hundredths, this is thousandths. Just think 3 places and the number 1,000 has 3 zeros in it. So if this is the thousandths, we can convert it quickly to a fraction by putting 525 divided by 1,000 or over 1,000. Now that is a correct decimal, but because of the fact that we can reduce it, we aren't done. Now, this is what I notice. I see this little 25 here, and the trick you can use is if something ends in a 25 or 2 zeros, those things can be divided by 25. So if we divide 525 by 25 and 1,000 by 25, 525 divided by 25 is 21. If we do 1,000 divided by 25, you get 40. Now, look and see if there's anything else that you can reduce. Now, to reduce a fraction, you have to be able to do this. Divide by similar things, or the same thing on top that you do on the bottom. Now, let's think about the number 21. 3 and 7 go into 21. Those are the only prime numbers that go into 21. They don't go into 40, so you can't go further. That's our answer. Let's take a look at this one. Now, the only decimal place we have here is this one place after the decimal, this tenths place. So if we have a tenths place, then that means that we can write this as 12, take out the decimal, over 10. Okay. Now, it's a improper fraction because of the fact that we had a number other than 0 right here. We could also write this as 1 and 2 tenths. Either is correct. In both cases, the top and the bottom can be divided by 2. So let's go ahead and divide that by 2. And we get 1 and 1/5. Okay? If we did the 12 tenths earlier, divide top and bottom by 2, we would get 6/5, which is also 1 and 1/5. So there's lots of ways to go about this process. I'm just kind of showing you a quick little summary here. Let's take a look at this one. You might notice that we are 3 places, so put it over 3 zeros. Now, you wouldn't show the 0. You wouldn't write 024 if you wanted to write the number 24. You would just write 24. So let's put that over 1,000. Now, if you can't think of how that reduces, one little trick. If the top and the bottom are both even, you can divide by 2. So I could divide the top and the bottom both by 2. So that's 12 over 500. They're still both even. You can do it again. You get 6 over 250. Oh, still both even. We can do it again. And we get 3 over 125. Now, 3 can't go into anything but 3. I'm sorry, nothing can go into 3 but 3. This ends in a 5. One really cool trick that you can use to see if something is divisible by 3, if you add up the digits 1 plus 2 plus 5, that's 8. Since it's not a number divisible by 3, it won't reduce by 3 either. So that's just some 3 little quick examples of how to convert a decimal to a fraction. I hope that helps. If it helped, could you please like the video and subscribe to our page? Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.